So today we're going to be pruning a Hydrangea paniculata. Hydrangea paniculatas are grown for their flowers in late summer. So we're pruning now in early spring to promote good, strong growth this year with which to flower on at the end of the summer. So the first thing you want to do is look through the shrub and remove any dead, diseased and dying wood. While you're pruning, you want to look out for weak growth. Weak growth you want to remove entirely as this promotes small flowers. You're looking for big, strong growth, about pencil thickness, which will promote really good, strong, big flowers. Once you've selected your nice, strong growth, you want to prune it back to 2 buds, creating a framework from which this year's flowers will grow. 1 bud, 2 buds, prune. We have a bud on either side, so we want to prune flat rather than angled as you would a rose. You'll notice I've pruned quite close to the bud. You want to avoid pruning between the buds as this encourages dieback, which is an entry point for disease, so prune as close to the buds as you can. So sometimes you have some very congested areas. Here you can see we've got some good strong new growth and this old wood, and it's all rubbing up against each other. So if you want to clear that out, you can. Sometimes you need a saw if it's big stuff. Just be careful where you're cutting. So as you can see, this is now the finished article. It's created this nice framework. It may look like quite a drastic cut, but this will give you the best flowering display come the end of summer.